Yes, we're recording. Alright, we're on the flight line Saturday evening. Gonna see if we can make this thing fly. Radjet 800. Take it off!
Design has been really popular. Good job, man. Thanks, man. Thank you.
You gotta put LEDs on it.
I used to dress too, yeah. Dude, don't mess up. You got a crowd now.
Take it off.
You ready?
Straight out.
Dang, you got some power. Yeah.
I brought this stuff fully powerful.
Nice, dude. Nice. Nice, dude. Not very long.
Fast little booger, isn't it? Yeah, it feels real locked in too. This is crazy. Yeah, I don't care about this plane. If it gets destroyed, I don't care. It's $39.
We're not even gonna fly.
That's only about half throttle.
Yeah. Yeah, so we'll be back next week. That's the best. Maiden journey. No, I thought
How much time do I have left?
Minute 50, 49.
Oh my god.
On the field!
Oh
Yeah, the air is perfect tonight. Woo! Oh crap. Landing from the left.
Maybe low.
Alright. Take it all straight out.
Wait a minute. Wait. Okay, go ahead. Whatever. Landing! Look out, bud. Look out. On the runway. God, you holler it out and they go, not even looking. What can happen? Nothing.
It's foam, it's soft.
Yeah, really. It's just styrofoam going 50 miles an hour, that's all.
That's it.
Thank you, honey. 5 minutes. Well, a little less than that. What do you call this thing? Pterodactyl?
Pterodactyl.
Pterodactyl.
Yep.
Is it home built?
Yep. I bought the plans off a guy on the internet.
That's cool. Foam board?
Yep. Yeah, the plans didn't have the second layer, but I think they wanted to build it out of Defron.
Yeah.
And it was a lot cheaper than that. And so I just put a second.
Got quad motors on it?
Yep. Yep, I just did a little bit ago.
That's nice.
Really smooth. Yeah. That's pretty flimsy.
Yeah. Is it very fast?
I was only flying third throttle, just putting around, but
Yeah.
it'll go a little bit.
I like it.
I'm running small props on it though.
Uh-huh. Yeah, that's why I brought the Rad Jet. If I hit something, whatever.
Are you flying in the combats or just?
No. No. It was nuts last night. Were you flying out here last night?
No, we just got here today.
Oh my God, it was crazy. Closer to dark it gets, the more people come out. It's like they're frantically trying to get flights in before it gets dark. And the safety guys have gone away. So it's, yeah, fly at your own risk.
Yeah, the safety guys are flying now.
Yeah, that thing is cool though. I really like it.
Yeah, we got here about 10 today. Went up to explore.
Yeah.
We got here.
Oh, nice. Are you from around the area?
Yeah. I'm gonna throw this thing up again.